Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs unit-wise from the unit that you are seeing on your screens. This is the fifth time revision of NCERT Biology. I hope you are finding these MCQs helpful in your coming NEET exam preparation. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. A colorblind man marries a woman with normal eyesight who has no history of colorblindness in her family. What is the probability of their grandson being colorblind? 0.25, 0.5, 1, nil. Correct answer is option B, nil. Question number 2. Polysome is formed by ribosomes attached to each other in a linear arrangement, several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA, many ribosomes attached to a strand of endoplasmic reticulum, a ribosome with several subunits. Polysome is formed by. The correct answer is option B, by several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA. Question number 3. The most popular known blood grouping is ABO grouping. It is named ABO and not ABC because O in it refers to having. Option A. Overdominance of this type on the genes for A and B types. One antibody only, either anti-A or anti-B on RBC. No antigen A and B on RBC. Other antigens beside A and B on RBC. Correct answer is option C. No antigens A and B on RBCs. Question number 4. Genetic material found in human immunodeficiency virus is double-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA. Correct answer is option B, single-stranded RNA. Question number 5. If a child is O blood group and his father is B blood group, the genotype of father is IOIO, IAIB, IOIB or IOIA. Child is O and father is B. Correct answer is option C. The father's genotype is IOIB. Question number 6. A colorblind man marries a daughter of colorblind father. Then in the offspring, all the sons are colorblind, all the daughters are colorblind, half sons are colorblind, no daughter is colorblind. Man is colorblind who is marrying a daughter of colorblind father. Correct answer is option C. Half of the sons are colorblind. Question number 7. In eukaryotic cell transcription, RNA splicing and RNA capping takes place inside nucleus, dictyosomes, endoplasmic reticulum or ribosomes. Correct answer is option A. They take place inside the nucleus. Question number 8. In Antirrhinum, two plants with pink flower were hybridized. The F1 plants produced red, pink and white flower in the proportion 1:2:1. What could be the genotype of two plants for hybridization? Option A, capital R, capital R. Option B, capital R, small r, capital C. Option C, small r, or option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, capital R, small r. Question number 9. The lac-operon consists of 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural gene, 2 regulatory gene and 2 structural genes, 3 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes, 4 regulatory genes only. Correct answer is option A, 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes. Question number 10. A cross in which an organism showing a dominant phenotype is crossed with the recessive parent in order to know its genotype is back cross, test cross, dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross. The correct answer is option B, test cross. Question number 11. Satellite DNA is useful tool in organ transplantation, sex determination, forensic science, genetic engineering. The correct answer is option C, forensic science. Question number 12. Gel electrophoresis is used for isolation of DNA molecule, cutting of DNA into fragments, separation of DNA fragments according to their size, construction of recombinant DNA by joining with cloning vectors. Gel electrophoresis is used for. Correct answer is option C, for the separation of DNA fragments according to their size. Question number 13. Which of the following had the smallest brain capacity? Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalens, Homo habilis, Homo erectus. The correct answer is option C, Homo habilis. Question number 14. In sea urchin DNA, which is a double-stranded DNA, 17% of bases showed to be cytosine. The percentage of other three bases expected to be present in this DNA are. The options are given. The correct answer is option B. G would be 17, adenosine would be 33, and thymine would be 33%. Question number 15. Which one of the following pairs of items correctly belong to the category of organs mentioned against it? Wings of honeybee, wings of crow, homologous organs. Thorn of bougainvillea, tendrils of cucurbita, analogous organ. Nictitating membrane, blind spot in human eye, vestigial organ. Nephridia of earthworm, malphizian tubules of cockroach, excretory organs. The correct answer is option D. Nephridia of earthworm and malphizian tubules of cockroach, both are excretory organs. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.